Peace and love, everybody. I am here with a video to show you how to make a manifestation plate, aka sun catcher. Now, making a manifestation plate is fairly simple. You only need like 3 items, maybe a few more, depending on how sophisticated you want your manifestation plate to be. I have a paper plate. You can use fine china if you wish. It don't have to be this size. It can be bigger or smaller, depending on what you're aiming for. Some aluminum foil. Yes, mine is out of the box, so what? It's the aluminum foil. And a pencil. Now, with the pencil, you want to use a pencil because pencils are made out of wood. Also, it's earth. It's earthy. So the more earthy, the better. Um, Also, you see my point is not real pointy. That way, when I write my manifestation on the aluminum foil, it doesn't rip the aluminum foil. Ouch. Now we're going to take the aluminum foil, and you can either wrap just the front part, or you can wrap the whole entire thing. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to wrap the front part. You can't see me wrapping because of the angle of my camera, so just bear with me. I'm going to rip this aluminum foil so I can lift it up a little bit. Alright, so here we go. So of course you just wrap the aluminum foil like you will wrap a plate that got food in it. Just wrap it. Okay, so once all the points are down, you want to take the time to write down what you aim to manifest. I don't know if you watched my other videos that explain exactly how to get the most out of your manifestation or how to do it right. But when you write your manifestation, you want to write it as if you already have it. So if you want a car, you would say, I have a car. Now, you take it a step further, and if you have a specific car in mind, you would say, I have a Mercedes-Benz or a 2016 Charger. And, I mean, the more detailed, the better. So, I mean, you can write a whole paragraph on this paper of what you truly want to manifest. So, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the time to write out what I want to manifest. So I wrote down something that I am working on manifesting the wind distracted me. So now what I'm going to do is put it in the window so that it can catch the sun, or so that the sun can reflect off of it and send my message to the universe. Now, if you like, you could put hole punches in here to hang it up like a wood chime. You can also decorate it more if you want to put some glitter on here to make it extra sparkly, and you can do that, But yeah, this is how you make a manifestation plate. It is very simple. It doesn't require a whole lot. Doesn't require a whole lot of time. And my recommendation is for you to leave it in the window, or if you hang it up like a wind chime, to leave it up until you have what you have manifested. That's the goal. Leave it up there until you have what you have manifested. And once you receive what you manifest, please, please, please give an offering to the universe. That is all for now. Thank you for tuning into my video, and remember, positive thoughts manifest positive results. Thank you.